This is a video on the CamKix GoPro battery charger. This is from CamKix. It's a dual battery charger with its status indicators on them. Now this is capable of charging 2 batteries at the same time, and indicator on there telling you when they are completely charged. Now what you get in this little packet is a nice little plastic bag with a seal, the charger, a little CamKix card which you use the QR code to show you how to operate this and to get any other discounts off CamKix. You also get a microfiber cleaning cloth for your camera, and you also get a micro USB lead here, micro USB lead. So this is what all comes within the package. Now this is the charger itself. As you can see, there's room for 2 batteries, 2 GoPro batteries, and this is for the GoPro HERO batteries for the GoPro HERO 5, 6 and 7. You can charge this charger either with USB-C or micro USB. Model information on the back, and let's connect it up. Now I've got a portable power bank here, and I've got the 2 leads, 2 different leads, micro USB and USB-C. So we'll plug in the USB-C. And I've got a Tennyson battery here for the GoPro HERO 5. It's for the 5, 6 and 7, as you can see. And I've also done a video about this battery, which you'll see up here. And if you plug the battery in, these should be fully charged already because I charged them, so they'll just come up green. And as you can see, it's just come up green and come off, because what happens is when they fully charge, it will show green and then it will come off. And as you can see for yourself, it came up green and then came off. So not a very good start, but I'll use another battery. This is another Tennyson battery here. We'll plug that in and switch them on. That's it, sorry, that's it, the power bank wasn't on. And as you can see, they are beginning to charge. They are beginning to charge, so you have a status LED on there and they're beginning to charge, and the red tells you that they're charging, and when the red light changes to green, they are fully charged. So now I'll take the USB lead out and I will replace it with the micro USB, sorry, in there. Let's get this right. And as you can see there, it's charging with the micro USB. So this is quite handy. So you can either have one or the other lead. It's up to you, but as you can see that with this charger, it charges the 2 batteries on any lead, micro USB or USB-C. So the CamKix, this is the CamKix charger, and I'd say for the price I paid, which was about just under £7 on Amazon, this is a very, very good charger for its money and for what you need it for. So I hope you liked my video on the CamKix charger. I know it's not very long, but it's just a charger. So I hope you like this video, and please do me a favor. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks very much.